I can see something, Roshan. What is this?
Yeah, these are all the accessories which goes with the suit. Now these are cufflinks with tie set.
Cufflinks.
Tie pins and cufflinks.
Okay, there
So
are
this
kind
is
of
called a cufflink
cufflinks
set.
and tie pins. Tie
Yes.
pins I know. What are these cufflinks?
Cufflinks, I'll show you. I don't know whether I have a cufflink shirt. Okay. So cufflink shirt, I'll show you how to work. This is a cufflink. You require some help from someone. I won't try to do it alone.
No, I can help you.
Okay. Just put it in this hole.
Okay.
Now into this button.
Alright.
So this is a cufflink. Then you wear a pair of cufflink and then you wear a suit.
Oh, it looks wonderful. So these are called cufflinks.
Yeah, this is
And the tie pin is okay, fine. I mean, these
have-
are all the accessories for
Yeah,
the
we have
grooms.
flowers for grooms.
Flowers for grooms.
Yeah, and for the best men.
Put
the
it on the
flowers.
ties.
Yeah, to
No,
put
no,
it
the
on the
suits.
lapel. To put it on the lapel. Then we have a lot of items come with a suit. The shirt.
What
the
is
tie.
this, Roshan? This is something different and unique.
That is also tie pin. That is just simply tie pin.
Okay.
So these are tie pins.
These tie pins I know. I'm asking this.
These are to be worn with cravats.
Cravats. Okay.
What we
that
do
does
is,
matter.
instead of making a ready-made cravat, we just make a simple type of tie cravat and we just insert this.
Okay.
So it stays
Oh,
in.
really? Yeah, nice. It's good. That's for the Italian style.
Yeah. Okay, one more addition to the bridal
Where?
wear for Muslims, Hindus and Christians. Mostly Christians are also going now for that.
Sharara
It's a
for the
sharara.
second day.
Yeah, it's a sharara.
Okay.
So
It looks awesome.
yeah.
I mean, even this you all stitch, you mean?
We are taking orders for this,
Okay.
but this kind of beadwork is not possible with the kind of people we have here because we have less labor.
Okay.
So what we do is we either send it to Calcutta or some other place. where
Okay, you all
beadwork is-
take the pattern, I mean,
Yes.
take the orders and you all...
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
What happens is customers give us either pictures or they select patterns which we have.
Okay.
They say that they want this kind of a sharara. We tell them the price. If they agree to the price and they pay advance, we send this order to our people. They do it, then we stitch it here at our place, and then we deliver.
So do you all have manpower there and back in other states also?
Yes, yes. We have tied up with certain beadwork
Okay.
workshops and other people. So they are
So
doing
they
this for
get
us.
this done there.
Yes,
Okay, so only the material is stitched here with the size and all, and this is done there.
exactly.
Okay, so for how many days do you all take for all this?
Currently, we have been taking at least a month from customers. But fortunately, customers are giving us around 3 to 6 months
Oh, really?
because they plan
Such
well
a
in
big
advance
one.
when they are going to spend so much. These are very exclusive items and very costly items.
Okay, that's nice. So what's the range of these kind of shararas with the...
These are starting from around 12,000 onwards and goes up to 50,000, 60,000.
Really? Which is the costliest sharara now?
The costliest sharara which I have is something of this pattern which will cost you around 30,000.
May I see that?
Yeah, this is one. So that proper one.
This is the costliest one. It looks
Yeah.
awesome and wonderful.
But when you wear it, it looks much
Much better.
better.
Yeah. Do you all suggest the bride here comes, or if she's on the darker shade, do you all suggest them any kind of shades?
Yes, we suggest lighter colors for them.
Mm-hmm.
We have peacock light blue,
Okay.
and then we have cream colors, white colors, which mostly we suggest for darker brides.
Okay. This is a combination of purple and blue.
Yes.
Wow.
This kind of work will take anywhere about 15 to 20 days to do.
Okay. This again is just too lovely.
8 to 16 people sit on this one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah. They are very heavy beadwork.
Mm-hmm.
People who know about beadwork.
What kind of customers do you get for this such kind of wear?
Even middle class customers are now opting for this.
Yeah.
So we have high class customers, means the premier layer. Even middle class customers are going for this.
What
People are ready to
Are
spend
these
this.
Swarovskis or any kind of gems, or these are the simple stones?
See, when we use Swarovski, the cost goes up to 3 times higher. And since this is a one-day affair,
Okay.
people
Do not go
want
for
the
such
look.
kind of.
Yeah, people
very
want
high.
a look. They don't want quality. Swarovski stones are used where quality matters, like something which you are going to wear
Often.
over a long period of time. Then you use that stones. But the shine of Swarovski stones are much
Somewhat
better than
similar.
this. Much
yeah,
better.
and
Than
better. Yeah.
Swarovski stones are very costly, 300 rupees per stone
Okay.
or 600 rupees per stone. Whereas these stones will cost you 50 rupees, 80 rupees, 120 rupees.
They fade off also very soon.
Yeah, but they fade off only when you use it continuously.
Okay.
For one day affair, it will not fade.
And do you keep only shararas or you have some salwar kameez?
We have salwar kameez for weddings.
Saris and all?
Saris we have. I'll show you the saris next. Okay, next we are going on to saris.
This is wonderful, Roshan.
Yes. This is a silk
Did
sari.
you all design this sari?
Yeah, we have designed this sari. We do this work.
Silk
Like
sari.
like I told you, the other shararas which we send to Calcutta for work. This we
Even
send to
the
Bangalore
saris-
for work.
Bangalore.
Yeah, this we send to Bangalore. We take orders. Mostly we have been getting orders for golden weddings and silver weddings. People are ready to
This
spend
is
like
again
anything.
with the two shades.
Yeah, this is again with two
Green
shades.
and aqua blue.
Yes, yes. This is a silk sari with two shades. This is a Kanjivaram silk sari.
Kanjivaram silk sari.
So the cost of the sari itself goes very high.
Okay.
Then we have work on this. So with the work and everything.
So
it
for
goes-
these also you'll get customers.
Yeah, we have lot of customers. We are selling out this like anything. These saris are not staying with us. They are moving very fast.
Okay. Again there is something here. Roshan. Okay.
This is called Bangalore silk. This is a little cheaper variety of silk. Not as
Design is
costly.
awesome.
This is not as costly as Kanjivaram, but this sari will cost you up to 20 to 17 to 20. This mostly we are selling for golden weddings or for engagements.
Do you all have any offers on these saris also?
We don't have any offers on saris because the margin of saris is very limited. So we cannot keep any, we cannot afford to keep any.
Tissue, pure tissue.
Issue की है?
In saris the variety is too much.
Do people wear and see?
Yeah, we help people wear it, see how it looks on them, then they purchase. Our service is one of the best in Goa.
Okay.
We
So the folding again would be a little difficult for you.
we have very experienced people to do this work
Okay.
because removing and folding is a very difficult task with saris. And what is happening is we have a motto that give service and customers are ready to pay for anything. Now this type of saris require a lot of service.
Same it is.
It's all pure silk.
This is also silk.
Yeah, pure silk. So this is in the range of
17,000. You all must be giving them discounts and all, no, Roshan?
discounts are possible, but that is also up to you. We give discounts. We don't like our
Wow,
customers
this is so awesome.
complaining of not giving discounts.
This is also nice. Do you all have customers throughout the day? They must be very busy now, Roshan.
Yes, we have customers throughout the day. In the afternoon time is a little relaxed.
Only, it's only for the wedding gowns, saris, shararas, or for other formal
See,
purchases also?
we keep for small items also, like we have jeans, tops and kids wear. We have customers for that also. This is what
From where do you get the material, Roshan, for these saris?
See, saris come from all over India. Like as I told you, Kanjivaram saris, they come from Kanjivaram. We have army saris, then we have Bangalore silk, Mysore silk. Lot of different kinds of silks come. So they come from all over India. We have Rajkot silk, we have Bengal silk, there is Kolkata silk.
This is elegant royal color. I love it. That's my favorite color, I think.
Yeah, the next thing which I would like to highlight is dresses. We have short as well as long dresses.
Okay, these dresses are mostly taken for festive occasions.
Yeah, for festive occasions, for 21st birthdays,
For weddings.
for wedding attendance, or for second day wear, even for formal wear, party wear. We have been stitching these dresses and designing ourselves. We will keep some for display, and if a customer likes something, we stitch. For formal occasions, for wedding attendance, for second day wear, and even for 21st birthdays and special occasions, we design dresses.
Okay, okay, so Roshan, these are all the gowns that you have.
Yes.
So what's the range of these gowns here?
See, with gowns, gowns start from 10,000 onwards, where we give a complete package. The package includes accessories which the bride
That
They
will,
use with
that
the
will
gown.
include crown also?
Yes, it will include the crown.
What about the mittens?
Mittens will be there.
Okay.
Veil,
Mm.
the pouch, the inside skirt,
The bouquet?
the bouquet, the makeup set.
Makeup set also?
Yeah, we give makeup set and all other small things which the bride will require.
Okay.
Even we are providing with rosaries and other things also.
Okay.
So they don't have to hunt around or spend extra money for other things.
Okay, so that comes in one package. That
We
would
give
be
it as a
that,
package.
Okay, that differs between 10 to
10 to, it can go even up to 70,000, 80,000 depending on the pattern of the dress.
Okay, fine. So again, the same patterns. You'll take the patterns and send it in some other states to put that the beadwork, to do the beadwork or embroidery that is needed.
No, with the gowns, from the start to the end, the entire procedure is done at our place only.
Here only.
Here only.
Okay.
Everything we have people for everything, like for the beadwork or for the designing, for frill work, for.
Do you all do the cut
weaving,
work
everything.
and the embroidery
Yes,
for
we
the
have
gowns?
yes, we have cut work gowns. We do embroideries.
So that you all do in your workshop.
Everything is done in our workshop, and we are doing very high level embroideries. Embroideries which are very minute, involves a lot of hard work, and we are trying to give this to the customer at a very reasonable rate. So that since we are a new establishment, we want more and more people to like our gowns, come to us and give us opportunity to serve them.
Okay, that's nice. What about the package? The package consists of the shoes also.
See, we were keeping shoes. Now our customers, if they select a shoe, we give it with the package.
Oh, that's too tight for me. So you all have sizes also?
We have sizes.
Okay. The tuxedos or the suits, lehengas,
Yes.
it's all about footwear also.
Yes, we are trying to do that.
Okay. Okay, we have Jonita here who has come to shop for her mom, I think. Is it? What did you like for your mom?
I like this skirt. I've been searching almost the whole market for a grey skirt. I couldn't find it. I came here.
Okay, so
and I
you
finally got something.
finally found a grey skirt for your mom.
Yeah.
You're gifting her the skirt, you mean?
Yeah, I'm gifting her a skirt. And
When is her birthday then?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the birthday. Okay, and you finally got it here at Emmanuel
Yeah,
Center.
roaming
What
around
else have you
the-
bought?
I just bought this for today because I'm short on pocket money. Otherwise, I would want to buy a lot more things.
Okay, so how much did you pay for this?
It's about
A reasonable rate?
Yeah, it's quite reasonable actually, and they reduced it and given it to me.
Okay. So how often do you come here to shop?
Actually, we do come quite often. My brother recently bought his suit from here and it's
You're
just-
married?
No, he had
For
had
Christmas or something?
For Christmas.
Okay.
Actually, our cousin got married for her wedding.
Okay.
So we all came here.
What do you have to say about Emmanuel Center, wedding center?
They're quite friendly that way, and you can make out the way they do. Also, they're quite
Professional.
professional.